In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add your own sound here on TikTok. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure your audio is on your phone. If it's just a music file, you can turn it into a video using an app like CapCut, but essentially go ahead and open up TikTok and tap the plus button down in the very bottom to upload your video. Obviously switch it over to like 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 minutes, whatever it is that you want to do. And essentially click the very bottom section in the bottom left to open up a page that looks like this and find your video. We'll go ahead and do this one since this is technically a TikTok right here, but go ahead and select this video, hit next, and then of course, once you're on this page right here, you just have to hit next again and then either go ahead and change it so that everyone can view this post, only you can view this post, or you can just make it private if you don't want everyone to see this. But after posting, essentially you need to go ahead and go to your profile, and I actually already have this posted. It's just private, but essentially go ahead and go to your profile, open up the video, and then you can tap the sound icon down at the very bottom. And this one has a sound, but I'm just using it as an example. You can now hit use sound and use that sound for really anything. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.